There's a beautiful story from the Matsya Purana about Manu, the father of mankind. One morning, Manu was offering prayers by the sea. He scooped water into his palm and, to his surprise, found a tiny fish speaking to him. The fish pleaded, "Save me. In this water, bigger fish will devour me." Manu, a kind soul, placed the fish in his vessel. But within hours, the fish grew too large. He moved it to a pond, then a river, and finally, the ocean. That's when he realized, this is no ordinary fish. The fish revealed itself as Lord Vishnu in his Matsya avatar. Vishnu warned Manu, "A great deluge is coming. The world will be submerged. Gather the seeds of every plant, pairs of animals, and the 7 sages, the Saptarishis, for knowledge must survive. I will send a boat. Tie it to my horn, and I will guide you through the waters." This may sound mythological, but the parallels are striking. Every civilization has stories of a flood, even Noah in the Bible. Could this reflect a real ancient catastrophe? An ice age meltdown, tectonic upheaval, or perhaps even a solar flare? Think of today. We treat the internet as eternal, but it's fragile, dependent on satellites and servers. A single massive solar storm could wipe our communication, throwing us back into the dark ages overnight. Our knowledge, our history, gone in an instant. That's why Vishnu insisted Manu preserve not just life, but wisdom. Without knowledge, even if life survives, civilization collapses. So, the boat was tied to Matsya's horn with the serpent Vasuki, and through a night of endless waters, Vishnu guided Manu and the sages. The teachings he gave them became the Matsya Purana, recording cycles of creation and destruction. The scriptures even speak of a mare-shaped fire hidden under the ocean, destined to rise at the end of time. Perhaps an ancient description of submarine volcanoes, the kind that can trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, even block out the sun with ash. The lesson is simple: nothing is permanent. Civilizations rise and fall, knowledge is fragile, and one cosmic event can reset everything. Manu's story is not just mythology, it's a reminder of how small we are and how precious it is to carry wisdom forward.